beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna be reviewing a very weird product, and which is a waxing pen. And this is how it looks like, and I am gonna be using it on my eyebrows and upper lip to see if it really works. And for that we quickly need to dive into the video, guys. And also, if you're someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and we are quickly gonna get started now. This is the eyebrow pen. You revolve the base, the wax is gonna come out. These are the paper strip, and this is for removing the residue. My skin was thoroughly cleaned up. There was no oil residue. After that, I applied the wax wherever I could see hair, and then you paste the strip and paste it firmly. After that, hold your skin taut and rip it off. It is gonna take your hair off which are longer and thicker. After that, I removed the residue with the help of the cloth they gave me. It has oil in it. After that, I applied it in the middle of my forehead. The wax residue still remains on your face even after ripping the strip off, and I do not like that because sometimes you need to do it multiple times, and it does not take your hair off immediately sometimes. And the longer hair, it is going to take off. With the finer and little hair, it is not going to do anything about it. So I do not like the feel of this wax on my face as well. And although the side look little bit more cleaner, but it does not work. It helps in taking 50% of your hair, 50 to 60% of your hair. Otherwise, it is not gonna be super clean. It just work vaguely. So I would not recommend you guys to spend this amount on this pen. Of course, it was a big fail for me. So do not recommend any one of you to buy this. So guys, this was it for this video, and my honest opinion about this product is you should not buy it. First of all, it is little bit on the costlier side, and second of all, you need to have really thick and long hair in order to get a grip on this wax. Otherwise, it is not gonna work. Like it's not gonna remove your hair 100%, although it removes your hair from root, but the little hair are still gonna be there, and it is not gonna be super clean at all. So I would not recommend you all to waste your money on this product. This is a really thumbs down from my side. I am gonna be still, if you want to check it out, I will give the product link in the description box below. And please take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure that you're hitting the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Also follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.